So finally, the official LineageOS 21 is here. Hands-on, quick look, first look. There are many changes available in this official version. So we are going to talk about all of those things in this video. Stay tuned. This is a LineageOS version 21. I made a video already on LineageOS 21 some days ago, and that was the unofficial version. That was just a hands-on first look. But official LineageOS 21 is here, and it is having some great visual changes, which we are going to talk about in this video. As it is based on Android 14, this is the first initial version, and just for your kind information, Android 15's first developer preview is already out, so yes, you can go and check it out in case you want to. The first one of the changes available is in the default camera app, aperture camera. You have the Google Lens integration, and also some UI changes are available in this aperture camera. So most likely on all of the devices you will get aperture camera. You have the option to turn on or turn off the mic, which is available here. You have the option to record from your camera, of course, 60 fps or etc, if your device supports that, and else the video recording UI, etc. Some of the minor changes are of course here. So overall, a complete UI change as compared to the normal LineageOS 13. So basically LineageOS 20, unfortunately I was wrong there, but yes, it's based on Android 14. The previous one, which was based on Android 13, it was having some differences, and now based on Android 14, some of the Android 14 changes are already adapted, and it looks like it's quite stable. One thing, let me tell you that according to the changelog, the quick settings panel is in the light mode, but for me it's in the dark mode. I'm not exactly sure. Let me confirm once again. It is the official version what I'm using. I downloaded it from the official LineageOS website, so I'm not exactly sure if it is a bug or maybe it might be solved in the upcoming updates. I'm not exactly sure. Let me know in the comment box if I'm wrong here, because I found this in the dark mode, but according to the change log, I guess it was in light mode. So let's see. But else, all Android 14 features are already implemented, like the font size styles. Another one of the changes is the default gallery app. It's also changed here. Default gallery UI. It's been a long time since that default gallery app, which was available in Android 11, 12, 13, etc. So with Android 14, you have the new gallery app available, which brings you some kind of same information. And of course, because LineageOS is an open source custom ROM, so as this gallery app is, and this gallery app might be available for other custom ROMs also very soon, or it might be available on the F-Droid, etc. So yes, you can install this thing on other devices very easily. Even the default browser app is updated with few of the UI changes, but one of the most interesting thing is the option to change the permission for the location, or option to give the location permission specifically to that site. For example, if I open this AccuWeather and if I click use your current location, you can see wants to use your geolocation. So you can allow this location permission not for the browser but only for this website. So this is a very useful thing, and it's already available in the default browser app only. If you want to use any other browser, it's totally up to you. Some of the pre-installed apps or the default apps are also redesigned. For example, brings you all the material theming support with calculator, calendar, which is I guess ETAR. I'm not exactly sure the name it was. This is also updated. UI for almost every default app is updated. Even the messaging app, dialer app, everything is changed here. Everything is a little bit modified, a little bit changed as compared to the previous one. Some of the fixes are there. I guess the dialer is a bit changed here. Basically the phone app is having the new favorite section, the same kind of things, but UI is a bit changed. But other than else, you have same kind of things available because it's LineageOS, so you have the same kind of options like Trebuchet Launcher, which brings you hidden and protected apps feature. You can hide those apps. You can use App Locker, which is not available in the system by default. But you also have the OTA update support. You don't have the extra customization features like other some custom ROMs. The battery usage graph is also updated to Android 14. You have the options almost everywhere, whichever these things are present. The back gesture, by the way, in case you don't know, the back gesture is also changed. Security and privacy UI is also changed. So all the changes which you get in Android 14 by default are already present here. Yeah, the Android safe browsing option, I'm not exactly sure because I did not found that option previously. Maybe after updating my Google Play services, I got this feature. I'm not exactly sure if it is the part of LineageOS. So we have status bar customization, we have the option related to gestures, navigation, etc. etc. So these were the things I just wanted to let you know. You can also update through OTA, but it depends upon which device you're using. So check out the update guide from the official website. This is all. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to drop a like. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe the channel. And for more videos like this, make sure to subscribe this. I will see you in the next one. Until then, goodbye.